When I read out the temperature, you start the stopwatch. Okay. I have negative 0.1. That was negative.
60.
Is that 1 minute? What is that?
Yeah.
That was 1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.1 Celsius for 1 minute. Remember, we got to get 5 of these before we turn on the heat.
Okay, it's been another minute.
Okay, so I'm still at 0.1 Celsius. 0.1 Celsius. So on the fifth reading, I'll turn on the heat. So that's what, 2 or what? How many readings do you guys have right now?
Another minute.
Okay, we're still at that looks like 0.0 right now. 0.0.
Okay, it's been another minute.
Okay, that's 0.0. Is that the 5th data point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm turning on the heat. It's on high. The display says 550. I don't know what that 550 means. I don't know if that means 550 Celsius or if that's the watts. I don't know, but it's on high.
It's been another minute.
0.1. 0.1 Celsius. You can still see there's plenty. You can see
It's
there's
been another minute.
another minute.
Yeah.
We're at 0.1 still. We don't know if that's the actual temperature, if that's the air in the thermometer, but it's 0.1. Everybody should know that the freezing point of water should be 0. The fact that it says 0.1, I don't know if that means it's the air in the thermometer. Who knows? All right, I got some bubbling action going on, but it's not boiling. I mean, I think the bubbling is, I think there's water outside the beaker from condensation, and I think that's boiling at the bottom of the beaker, outside the beaker, in the, you know, see it? You see the steam coming off there? That's the outside. What?
Another minute.
Okay, I'm looking at 0.5. 0.5. There's definitely melting going on. I can see the volume of the ice is decreasing. And there's more liquid water present. You can, I don't know if you can see it. The bubbling that I saw outside the beaker has stopped. I'm guessing that means all the condensation underneath the beaker has been, you know, heated away.
Another minute.
Okay, it looks like 0.6. I would say we're like 50-50 right now with liquid water and solid ice water.
Another minute.
Okay, I'm looking at 0.9, 0.9 Celsius. I'm just guessing, but I'm thinking it's like 60% liquid water, 40% ice, or maybe 70-30. Not that it's asking that, but I'm just telling you.
Another minute.
1.2. I'm going to say 80% liquid, 20% ice.
Another minute.
Okay, that's 2.1. And it's like, it's like 90% liquid and 10% ice.
Another minute.
Okay, it's like 4.4. It's like 98% liquid, 2% ice. All the ice is gone at this point.
Another minute.
10.2. 10.2 degrees Celsius. All the ice is gone.
Another minute.
Okay, I'm at 22.5. 22.5 degrees Celsius.
Another minute.
I'm at 33.2.
Another minute.
42.6.
Another minute.
Okay, I'm looking at 52.3.
Another minute.
60.7. 60.7.
Another minute.
I'm at 70.0. 70.0. And I've got little bubbles at the bottom of the beaker. There's definitely steam coming out of the beaker now.
Another minute.
Okay, I'm at 76.1. Make that 77. 77.1. I read the wrong degree. It's weird, but all the bubbles that were on the bottom, most of the bubbles that were on the bottom have disappeared. Well, they're still there, but maybe because I'm stirring more.
Another minute.
83.2. I'm hearing what sounds like boiling. I hear like sizzling or something. But when I stir it, it goes away. When I stir it, I don't hear that sound anymore. So maybe the water is not equally being heated, you know? There's definitely bubbles starting to rise regularly off the bottom. When I stir it, it slows the bubbling down, but it's kind of regular that I believe boiling is starting to happen.
Another minute.
Okay, I'm at 90.5. And I've got regular bubbles rising until I stir. If I stir vigorously, the bubbles kind of dissipate, but it's getting harder to get rid of them. Did you all record when I stated the bubbles were becoming vigorous?
Another minute.
Okay, we're looking at 93.8. I would say I have a constant boil going on. Can you see it on the, you can see it on the video, can't you? We're going to collect data after this next data reading. We'll collect data for 5 more minutes just because I would say it's already boiling.
Another minute.
95.1. Okay, so we're going to collect 4 more data points after this. Somebody tell us when to stop.
Another minute.
95.0.
Another minute.
95.0.
Another minute.
95.1. How many more data points do we need?
1.
One more.
Okay. I don't think it's going to hit 100. It's boiling. Interesting. I wonder if it's a thermometer. Could be the air pressure, although I doubt it makes a 5-degree temperature change. I'm guessing it's a thermometer.
Another minute.
Okay, last data point looks to be 94.9. And that's it, guys. I'm turning it off. Good job, timer.